Okay, so obviously I'm in Animal Kingdom, guys. So, oh hey, we're going in here.
It doesn't matter. We just have to
Gift
be
shop.
there
Okay, hang on.
between 11:15 and 2:15, so we can be there anytime.
It's hot. Owen, you gonna be alright? He's a first timer. I'm saying. Oh man, they got like
Está como chido. No, ya sé, este cuesta $14.
Woo. I'm a Jedi. I'm a Star Wars freak, guys, okay? Okay, I'm sorry. That's probably going to be the most boring part of my vlog. Where'd my group go? Yeah, I'm here with the marching band, so. Yeah, I didn't die.
Okay, let's go. We're going back out.
I like that. I'm not going to get y'all on camera. So I know he don't want to be on camera for sure. Yeah, I want you.
Hey.
Courtney! Hey!
Hey!
Hi!
Hey!
Hi, people!
Hey!
Okay.
Hey!
Okay, so we're back outside. This, besides Magic, well, this is my third favorite park. Animal Kingdom. My first, second are Magic Kingdom and, okay, I got them, okay. My first and second favorite are Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios, so you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Fourth time, and what is yours, 6?
Yep, 6.
6, so.
Second time this year.
Yeah, he went here for spring break. How come I didn't record over spring? Oh yeah, I was at a storage. That phone was awful. Not trying to bash Samsung or anything, because I mean I don't have a problem with them. Come up with more phones in 2 years.
We're going to Hollywood Rapids right now, and then if we have extra time, we're probably going to go to Dinosaur USA before Kilimanjaro Safari, before Everest.
Okay. All right. Well, then we'll.
Sorry, I don't want to get them on camera because I don't know if they want to.
How do you even get the
There he is. Okay. All right, Owen. I'm sorry, my phone. Weird. Okay, sorry about that.
I'll just go over here.
I'll do it.
The bathrooms. We passed the bathrooms.
I'm not going to put everything up right now. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Like we literally walked right past the bathrooms, man.
But everything, I have that extra zip on bag. Is something you want to put in there? Is your case waterproof?
It's an OtterBox.
It's probably waterproof.
Okay, then. Yeah, I'll still put it in there. Just be. I'll put mine in there for the safe side.
I only have 2. I had to put my stuff in there.
I don't know. It's kind of quiet now. Sam, I got an idea.
Sam, you want to build a blanket fort in our room?
No.
You don't? Isaac, you want to build a blanket fort in our room? Yes. All right.
Booyah. I don't know. I'll take mine out. This is complicated. And
Take it out of the case.
That's all my money.
Your money can get wet.
You're just getting messed up.
I think they have some, don't they have something in the center to put all your stuff in? Or is that's at Six Flags? Okay, never mind. I haven't been here in a while.
Isaac, you want to go to the arcade with me today? Hotel free.
I'm gonna stay at this work.
What? Is there any like basketball court?
No.
Not at all.
Okay, just put it in.
All right, y'all ready to go?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go.
No.
There was no law on YouTube that says you can't record with a phone, so.
I know, but it's just crazy. Like,
Yeah, whatever. It's better than having an S5. It's better than having a camera for the S5. It's a lot better. Whew, so here we go. We're on our way. And so this ain't gonna be a long, I ain't gonna be able to pause the video. I don't know how to do that on this thing. So, I'm not gonna end it yet.
That way.
Africa. Really? Harambe? I saw Harambe. I saw Harambe had his own little restaurant. Harambe had his own restaurant. I don't know where it was, but it was here. It's somewhere.
We're eating there.
I don't know where we're eating, to be honest with you.
Hey, who agrees we should eat at the Harambe place? We're eating there.
Harambe Market is after you.
Ooh, it's already.
Oh, yeah, I see. Some sort of animal. Oh, sorry. Hey, wait up. So? So, there's some souvenirs. We haven't even gotten in the actual park. Simba, where?
We shut the park down.
Oh, hey. Hey, Simba.
Oh no, we're separated.
We're good. Do not what? Okay. I'm trying not to get them on camera, guys. Oh. Here's in his little lion guard outfit. Monkeys!
What time is it?
It is. I don't know.
That's probably a line.
It is.
We can't. Where's your bag?
What?
We have to get my card out.
We can later. What are we doing? Oh, hey, I see him. Alright, guys, so I'm going. I'm going to let these guys have their piece. So just like and comment and subscribe if you are new. See you in the next video.